Megan Tapper is proving that height is no barrier to greatness in the 100-meter hurdles, and she's back stronger than ever. After overcoming setbacks and disappointments, this Jamaican athlete made history with a bronze medal at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics and has been smashing her personal bests ever since. In this video, we take a closer look at Megan Tapper's journey from setbacks to becoming one of the top contenders in the 100-meter hurdles. With a personal best of 12.34 seconds and strong performances in the Diamond League, Tapper is showing she is ready for more. Will she earn another medal at the Tokyo World Championship? Let's find out. Megan Tapper has been a fighter, and that became very evident when she made the Jamaican 100-meter hurdles team to the 2016 Rio Olympics and 2017 London World Championship. However, she was unable to advance beyond the semi-final stage in those competitions. The 2019 Doha World Championship was where Megan Tapper first graced the stage in a global final, but she was unable to finish the 100-meter hurdles. After a series of disappointments and frustrations, Tapper was determined to mount the podium in the 100-meter hurdles at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. She ran through the line with a dip with a time of 12.55 seconds to earn a bronze medal. However, Megan Tapper never made another global medal since that Olympic success. The heartbreaking moment of her career came at the 2024 Jamaican Olympic Trials, where she finished 4th and fell at the line, causing injuries. Like a true champion, Tapper returned to the track in 2025. The world started paying more attention to Megan Tapper after she ran one of her fastest times of 12.50 seconds at the Miramar Grand Slam track meet, a sign that Tapper could go a lot faster later on in the season. The 100-meter hurdles at the Jamaica National Championship were shaping up to be Ackera Nugent's race to win. But Megan Tapper had something to say as she navigated the rounds well by running 12.50 seconds in her semi-final. In the final, Tapper got a brilliant start and just kept going. She crossed the line in a new personal best of 12.34 seconds, joining the likes of Ackera Nugent, Camacho-Quinn, Britany Anderson, and Danielle Williams as Caribbean women who have gone sub 12.4 in the event.
Set. Off they go. Megan Tapper was away like a rocket. Ackera Nugent draws alongside her now. The rest have some catching up to do. Megan Tapper steps ahead of Nugent. Megan Tapper, the little point-sized dynamo, looks supreme. She looks superlative. Megan Tapper!
To show that her personal best performance at the Jamaica National Championships was no fluke, Megan Tapper ran 12.34 seconds once more to win her first Diamond League in Monaco.
Oh gosh, a real bad hit of the hurdle at start. Going really well on the near side. Megan Tapper storming away with this one. Takes it by best part of a minute.
The 100-meter hurdles is quite a competitive event, with athletes who could place in the top 3 at any given moment. Athletes such as world record holder Toby Amusan, Masai Russell, Danielle Williams, Ackera Nugent, and Grace Stark have been some of the top women in the event this season. But time and time again, it comes down to the athlete with the most composure on the day who is likely to win the race. Megan Tapper has been improving this season, and the world should be on the lookout as she returns to Tokyo for the World Championship. Megan Tapper's story is a testament to resilience. Every hurdle, both on and off the track, has only fueled her drive. From setbacks to smashing personal bests, she's rewriting the script of success. As she heads to Tokyo, one thing is certain, she's not done yet. The journey is just getting started. What do you think fuels Megan Tapper's incredible comeback? And do you think she's really being overlooked? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your predictions. Also, check out our video covering Megan Tapper's stunning win in Monaco. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more inspiring stories. Turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. This is CaribFocus Sports, and we'll see you in the next video.